Minister of Provincial Affairs for Masvingo, Ezra Chadzamira panguva ino has been attacked. Now Komana with the Mira Masvingo. Right now, Patrigonoti tomorrow, Panama scheduled protest. Emswa 31 July 2026. Panguva ino arukia panguva ino ma protesters. Atukona varukamba ma constitutional amendments. Panguva ino tuna kuti the Mira Masvingo has come. Panguva ino ichinyasobuda pachena kuti those who are stopping people from this protest or petitioning, they are even going against the people's rights to petition. Sabida maskomdani kwa pango ino the Mira Masvingo to subscribe or like on the bell icon replying to the video. Yatoona the Minister of Provincial Affairs for Masvingo, Ezra Chadzamira, giving a speech. Anobuda the Mira Masvingo inyora ichiti. Minister of Provincial Affairs for Masvingo, Ezra Chadzamira, as for the second day running issued a stern warning to citizens who exercise their legitimate and constitutional right to demonstrate against their government on Friday. Provincial ministers are among the biggest beneficiaries of President mnangagwaZim, which is widely viewed as corrupt. They have latest fleets of state-of-the-art vehicles. They own several farms each. Some of them have mines, and a notable number are building private schools. And all this wealth barely 7 years after getting into office. Meanwhile, the standard of living for the majority has been a rapid downward spiral since the Second Republic in 2017. Toma developments zabuda panguva ino achitauka the Mira Masvingo irozati iri kufumura aiwa zvigrenade zvasikazika amweni nyika yese yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino achiti kune vanhu vari kunzi they are benefiting zvakanyanya aiwa from this leadership. Panguva ino achiti these people in just 7 years, these people vari kuita zvinhu zvikukutu, vari kuita zvinhu zvikuru, vari kubuilda ma-schools, they own ma-farms and wealth, but the general populace panguva ino they're struggling. Pana comment section medu dzafungura imo tikuli pamusoro this post inoita the Mira Masvingo. Pana comment section medu subscribe or like channel the bell icon.